Good day my friends, on this video I will show you how to replace the windscreen wipers and as well how to remove the wipers from the car. You are on the Mercedes W123 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. You will see it's a very simple job to remove all that, and the arm itself as well, you may have to do it in case you want to change the rubber that's here, or maybe you want to repaint the panel, stuff like that, so you will have to remove it. You will have a much better result. So of course, as usual, I will give you the different part numbers. This one is Bosch, but you have as well Mercedes, and you've got as well other brands. So let me show you first how to replace the wipers. The change of the blades cannot be any easier. You raise the arm, then you tilt it like this, and here you'll see behind the arm there's a little clip. You press it and you push it down, and that's it, it's off. You see, very easy. Now we take the new one. This inside we push it a little bit so it becomes like that, and same thing, we place it inside and then we push it in. You see, it cannot be any easier. If you need to remove the arm itself, it's very easy. The nut is here, so if we try and lift this up, we can't do it. So what we do, we raise this and now we lower it, and making sure the cap goes up like so, and now we have access to the nut that we can remove. Once you have removed this, all you have to do is to raise the arm and move it a little bit and it'll come off. That's it. As you can see, it's very easy. Now if you need to replace those plastics that are here, I will try and find the part number for you and place it on the video. Okay? At the moment to place back the arm, it will be exactly the same thing but in reverse, but try not to place it, for instance, like this, because it's a bit ugly. I've seen some people as well that place it way too low. For instance, I'll place it like that. Okay, so I think the best for me is to place it more or less parallel to the trim. It looks way better. And that's it. So once you got the position, same thing. You place back the nuts and you're ready. So I hope that you have liked that very short video. I hope it's useful to you. Subscribe if it's not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.